Make sure to stand till the end. It may not be the fuse, or you may need a special procedure after replacing the fuse. We'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those, you guys need to find the fuse for the rear left stop light, also known as brake light. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, what you may need to do after replacing that fuse, and we'll talk about common mistakes people make as well. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stand till the end. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. Most people, guys, will do one thing. This is a 2018 Dodge Challenger. They will open the hood. When they open the hood, they will think that this fuse, guys, is actually under the fuse box, okay, right here. But it's not there, guys. It's actually towards the trunk, so not there. Where we need to go, we'll come towards the back. And car was in a little bit of an accident, but runs and drives like a champ. We'll be fixing it soon here, rebuilding it, so more videos will come. But if you come towards the back, guys, we'll need to open the trunk. When you open the trunk, you're going to leave that cover here that you have. You can see that's the cover, and under that cover you're going to find your spare tire, car battery. And now let me tell you guys, when replacing fuses and relays, it's recommended to disconnect the car battery often, guys, because otherwise you can cause damage to the electrical system and modules, computers. And on these new vehicles, new cars, if you disconnect them the wrong way, you can burn computers, modules. And we actually burn an airbag module on a Mercedes, and that cost $2,000. So it really matters, guys, which battery terminal you disconnect first. There is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out. This is the fuse box that we'll need. You go ahead, you're going to press right here and open. And here, what we have now, let me explain, guys. Okay, this is the fuses. Very important to test fuses and relays. Sometimes fuses, you cannot clearly see that they're burnt. It may seem okay, but it's not, and you will spend time and money that you don't need to spend, guys. So we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. So coming here from the very left side, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it. You have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That fuse right here, that's the one that we'll need to check, guys. It's fuse number 6 in a row, but it's actually known as fuse number F7. It's a 40 amp fuse in our case. Okay, right there. So I'm going to go ahead, okay, grab the new fuse now. And if your left stop light, brake light still doesn't work, let's stay with us and we'll explain what else it could be. Let's check ours. Okay, it does work now. So if it doesn't work, it could be, guys, problems, okay, where you may need to reset, guys, actually the body control module and other computers in the car. You need a tool like that. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can buy it from, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use, guys. But you need to reset the codes, and that should fix the problem. But if both brake lights do not work, it could be bad brake light switch. We have a video how to replace and test one as well. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.